is the driver's side camera. We got new tires that we just put on last year.
You can tell by looking at the tread. And we keep them covered with tire covers during the winter.
This is the compartment for the jacks. It's just got the hydraulic fluid in here. It's got an extinguisher. You can put some stuff in here if you wanted. Here's another storage compartment. That's a little deceiving because it looks this big, but
if you go up this way, you can hide stuff up top too.
we've actually had my son in here before to get stuff from the back there. He can stand up in there and climb back there.
No, we don't make him sleep down there.
This is another one that's a little deceiving because it's this, but then it goes up and over, and you can actually access it from the other side as well.
So that silver part that you see is the back of the door on the other side. And then there's a bar in the middle, and then same thing over here.
Okay. This is your water compartment. So for this, you can hook up to your city water, so that way you get water throughout the entire coach. Down here is your sewer hose, which is kind of nice because you just unscrew this. You can pivot this either way, and then all of this hose is in there and out here, so it can come out. It's got a whole house water filter. There's an outdoor shower here, and then these back here are your dump valves for your gray and your black tank. And then this one here is actually, you can hook up your hose and you can clean out your black tank with this. This is the generator. It's a 5500 generator, 50 amp. This is your electrical cord right here. This plug-in right here is for the generator. So right now that is plugged in, it's plugged into the generator, so when the generator goes on, it runs all the stuff. Or you unplug it, and you can go out this little hole right here, so that way you don't have to keep the compartment open. And this is another one that's actually deceiving. Okay.
Oh yeah.
You can actually go through to the other side. I'll open the other side.
Hello.
And you can actually put stuff up there too.
And all of these little dryer sheets that you see in this compartment, these are just great ways to help keep critters out of your coach during the winter because they don't like them. So that's why we have them in there. You can see how clean my husband keeps all these compartments.
Every compartment
amazing.
Has a light in it too. So you can turn it on from up front and you can see in all the compartments at night. This is your propane tank. Like I said, we run the stove, the oven, but mainly the refrigerator on it while we're driving. And it's still, like I said, at 2/3. So to fill it, you can just go to a fill station and they'll fill it for you. There's another storage compartment. So this one's not as big, but right here is actually the access to the water heater, so that way you can drain the water heater for the winter. And it's got the bypass valves. And then right here is the water heater. There's a outside power outlet. This is the other side of the big compartment that goes all the way through. We do have tire covers that we put on it, and it'll come with it. And then here's the last outside storage compartment. And then right here is the passenger side camera.
All right. Well, if you have any other questions, let us know.